Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to name a playlist in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to go to a song first. So let's say this one, and we need to tap on this three dot over here and click on add to playlist. Now here are already some playlists, but let's click on new playlist to add a new playlist and give it the name. Now this is where you can give a name to playlist. So let's say songs and now tap on create. So now your new playlist with a name is created. Now you can simply add songs in this. Tap on this and click on add to playlist and let's click on songs. So this is added. So it's simple. So this is how you can name a playlist in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.